Hello everyone. In the previous video we discussed about reactivity. Now in this video we'll talk about the orientation, ortho-para directing groups in electrophilic aromatic substitution. Now the theory of orientation can be explained on the basis of electronic theory as well as on the basis of stability of carbocation. So first we'll talk about electronic theory. The orienting influence of groups can be explained on the basis of various factors. These factors are inductive effect. Now what is inductive effect? If X is attached to benzene ring and it is an electron donating group, so it will produce positive inductive effect. If Y is a group which is pulling the electrons or withdrawing the electrons from benzene ring, then it is termed as or called as, or it shows negative inductive effect, and it has an influence on orientation as well as reactivity of the substituted benzene ring. Secondly, electromeric effect. Now one of the unshared pair of electron can undergo electromeric shift by interacting with pi electrons on the ring as shown in this diagram. Now this makes the ortho and para position electron rich. That's why specifically in this case, or due to this effect, the attack of electrophile will take place at ortho and para position. Mesomeric effect. In the presence of lone pair of electron, it is further responsible for another important effect by increasing the number of resonating structures of the compound. Such effect is called as mesomeric effect or resonance effect. Okay. Now in this case, hydroxyl group will also take part in resonance stabilization of the structure. This is the difference between electromeric effect and mesomeric effect. Now due to this participation of oxygen, the ortho and para positions, they are becoming electron rich, so the attack will take place at ortho and para position. And hyperconjugation. This is specifically observed in alkyl groups and halogens. They also take part in stabilization of charge or making the electron, sharing the electron with the benzene ring and making ortho and para position electron rich. This is only observed in alkyl groups, specifically smaller alkyl groups and halogens such as chlorine. Now alkyl group. The alkyl group in alkyl benzene is particularly very interesting. It does not have any lone pair of electron. So the effect produced by alkyl group in the benzene ring is only just because of inductive effect, and it shows a positive inductive effect. Now the importance of this inductive effect in directing further the substitution in toluene can be judged by following observation. Here, as the hydrogen atom of methyl groups are replaced, okay, if they are replaced by halogen, these halogens, they exert negative inductive effect. The percentage of meta substituted product increases at the expense of ortho para product. Okay, the orienting influence of alkyl group should therefore be entirely due to inductive effect. It means the activating effect of an alkyl group should also be in the same order, but in number of cases the order is found to be reverse. For example, it is explained on the basis of hyperconjugation, effect which is greater in methyl group and lowest in tertiary butyl group. Okay, thus the ortho-para directing influence of methyl group is due to the inductive effect and hyperconjugation. Now this is on the basis of electronic effect. Okay. Now on the basis of stability of carbocation, we will just draw resonating structures of various attacks if the electrophile attacks at ortho position. Now this is what we will get. If attack takes place at ortho position, these three resonating structures are possible. Now among these, if we look at the first structure where the positive charge is on that carbon atom which is attached to methyl group. Methyl group is electron donating group just because it is showing positive inductive effect. This structure will be specially stable. Okay. Now if attack takes place at para position, then we can draw these three resonating structures where positive charge on the carbon atom can be stabilized. Now in this structure, the second structure, the middle one, is a specifically stable structure. The reason is positive charge is on that carbon atom which is attached to methyl group. Now if the attack takes place at meta position, now you will not find a specially stable structure. The reason is the charge never goes to that carbon atom, or charge is never placed on that carbon atom which is attached to methyl group. So these structures are resonating structures, no doubt, but they are not that much stable. Which stability we get if the attack of electrophile in case of toluene take place at ortho or para position. That's why in case of toluene, in case of substituted benzene like toluene, the attack of electrophile will take place at ortho or para position. As simple as it is. Examples, these are the examples. If we carry out nitration of toluene, you will get ortho substituted, meta substituted and para substituted product. But remember, only 3% of meta substituted product we will get. Major product will be ortho substituted, 63%. Similarly, if we carry out halogenation, then exclusively we will get ortho and para substituted bromide, which is 40 to 60%. No percentage of meta substituted product. Now with these examples we will move ahead. We will talk about the second ortho para directing group, that is halogen. Halogen also show various effects which also contribute, various electronic effects which contribute its orientation. Now mesomeric effect, just we have seen, the chlorine also take part in resonance stabilization of the benzene ring. Similarly, electromeric effect is there just because chlorine contains lone pairs of electron. But so the mesomeric effect in presence of halogen, it is positive M. Electromeric effect is positive E. But in case of inductive effect, chlorine is more electronegative than carbon. It will pull the electrons from the benzene ring. That's why the inductive effect shown by halogen will be minus I. Okay. Now if the minus I effect is more than combination of these mesomeric and electromeric effect, then the attack will take place, or it will be the attack will be controlled by the inductive effect. Now on the basis of stability of carbocation, ortho substitution, if it takes place, then it will give a specially unstable compound, because positive charge in the first structure, positive charge is on that carbon atom which is attached to chlorine, which will pull the electron clouds from carbon. And similarly, chlorine also contribute or in charge stabilization. It will also form a resonance structure which is comparatively stable structure. Similarly, if attack takes place at para position, again we will have a specially unstable structure and comparatively stable structure where chlorine is participating in bond formation, double bond formation. And in the final meta position, if attack takes place at meta position, then we will not have a stable or unstable structure. It will be as usual normal structure. Now based on this, we can say just because of more number of resonance stabilization structures, in case of halogen the attack will be at ortho and para position. But we need to remember one important parameter or one important thing about halogens is, in case of halobenzene, reactivity is controlled by strong inductive effect and orientation is controlled by resonance effect. This is very important. Reactivity is controlled by inductive effect and orientation is controlled by resonance effect. Okay, let's move ahead. We talk about phenoxide. Now this phenoxide is a unique functional group. Now it has all the three electronic parameters positive. It is negatively charged, it has a lone pair of electron, so it also it contributes in charge stabilization, so it has positive mesomeric effect, that is positive resonance effect. Also it has a positive electromeric effect and it donates its electron. It is electron rich species, so it has positive I effect. Based on these three parameters, based on the electronic parameters, we will surely say that phenoxide, in case of phenoxide, the orientation will be, or the upcoming group will be at ortho and para position. It is ortho and para directing group. Now next, if we modify this phenoxide to something else, if we put methoxy group or acetoxy group, okay, so in that case the ortho para directing power of phenoxide is reduced just in the shown manner. Okay, for highest will be in phenoxide, then anisole, then acetyl phenyl ether. As we keep on substituting this oxygen with larger bulkier groups, the ortho para directing potency or power will be keep on reducing. Now this is due to this acetyl phenyl group. It will have least effect, ortho para directing effect. The reason is, in this case oxygen is not involved in, or it is also involved in the stabilization of charge present in the benzene ring, as well as it is also involved in charge stabilization outside the ring. Now due to this, oxygen contribute less towards charge stabilization of the ring. That's why it will have less ortho para directing effect. Further, again, in case of anilide, nitrogen, it will take part in charge stabilization, so it will show positive mesomeric effect, that is positive resonance effect. Okay, also it will have, or in this case it will stabilize the nitrogen will take part in charge stabilization outside the ring here, so its power or its capacity will be less than phenoxide. Okay,